Welcome back to the Metro Bike Vibes. Today, we're diving into the motorcycle that combines raw power, cutting-edge technology, and stunning design to redefine what it means to ride. This is more than just a bike, it's a statement. So, let's break down what makes this model stand out from the crowd. First, let's talk design. The 2025 Tuono V4 1000 embodies Italian craftsmanship, with a sleek, aggressive look that demands attention. Aprilia has blended aerodynamic function with style, adding winglets for stability at high speeds, a sharp fairing for wind resistance, and a refined rear section that gives the bike a razor-sharp look. Every inch is meticulously crafted to give you both form and function. Under the skin, this bike is packed with features. The 2025 Tuono V4 1000 runs on a V4 engine that delivers incredible power without compromising smoothness. The flexible compatibility adds versatility, letting you ride this bike on various fuel types while maintaining performance and efficiency. Plus, the tech on this bike is top tier. You get a state-of-the-art TFT display, customizable ride modes, and even cornering ABS. It's designed to give you control and confidence in every turn. When it comes to performance, the Tuono V4 1000 doesn't hold back, with the power output pushing over 200 horsepower. It's a beast on the road. Aprilia's engineering ensures that the bike is responsive and nimble, with a balance of torque and speed that's hard to match. Whether you're hitting the straights or carving through corners, it handles beautifully. With advanced suspension and electronic aids like the EMU-based traction control, you get the bike that feels planted at all times, giving you both stability and the thrill of the ride. This level of power and control lets the Tuono V4 feel as comfortable on the track as it is on the street. So, what makes the Tuono V4 1000 unique? First off, its capability is a game-changer. This feature lets you ride further and with flexibility, accommodating alternative fuels without missing a beat. The bike also has an upgraded exhaust and a tuned engine map to maximize performance across fuel types. And for a special touch, Aprilia offers a limited edition Blackbird variant, inspired by the iconic Super Blackbird model, bringing a sleek blacked-out finish and enhanced performance elements. This bike is built for the rider who demands power, flexibility, and exclusivity. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 1000 isn't just another high-performance bike, it's a redefinition of what's possible in the naked sports segment. With breathtaking power, cutting-edge tech, and innovative fuel flexibility, this is a bike that's ready for anything. If you're looking for a game-changer on two wheels, the Tuono V4 1000 is your answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews on all things motorcycling. Catch you on the next ride.